what action are you taking in making sure that you get the tests if needed, if needs be, and check a girl child by nature is there to teach you tata work. I'm taught by my girls how to wear, what not to wear, how to when to go to salon and stuff. Like now I'm crusty. One of them is gonna tell me, tata umbi, go yes, then boys are there to learn from their fathers. Now, what men of boys are we raising when they won't have their fathers to learn from? Can paga me in my daughter, man. I'm not okay. I'm not okay for real. It's not. It is good when the yo limit nandi forgetting go sharp man too. That father this, father that, good father this. But my daughter, siphi my daughter. Must phakame my daughter. So wena bantwana. Akenzanga umntana. Kuba umntana uyageza. Baby mama is giving you problems. Go to the court. You've got a right to your child. You've got a full right to be present in umntana nakho. No child has a right to bangabi nayo utata. Akekho umntana onelungelo bangabi nayo utata. Bonke abantwana banelungelo babe nayo utata. Or present. Bu present bakho as utata. It's not finances only. To be present is to be present, you being present. Just be present for your child. Call them down. If you messed up as a man, you are not available when the woman was still going to hospitals and stuff, and then now you are bomba hot man, men up man, go face all that. You're glams. Udan funi love back and funa umntana benelungelo ndicela uqolo namphika lo mntana ngiyambona nje bekhula bawuvunyelwa khona Facebook umntana umbambe ecaleni umntana uthethe nomntana wakho unelungelo umntana loba aye esikolweni umntana athi utata called me nami bendithethe notata wami namhlanje tata called me majita manani man yoba yintoni le nifakwe yona madoda yilwa. Go to church. If you are hlaba, go wherever, whatever you do. Whatever you want to do it. Uzikhulule kula makhamandela ongakwazi uhoya umntana. Because you will see yourself not progressing kanti umntana ungamoyanga. Igazi lakho lalila ngawo.